Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. If you are getting the error message device environment is not correct payment while making an online payment, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix this issue on your Android phone. This error usually happens because your payment app detects a security risk on your device. Let's fix it. Firstly, restart your phone. Sometimes this error appears due to temporary system glitches. After restarting, try making the payment again. Now, turn off VPN. If you are using a VPN, turn it off immediately. Payment types blocks transactions when VPN is active because they cannot verify your real location. So, after turning off VPN, try again. And now, open the settings app and search for developer options and turn it off. Many payment apps detect developer mode as a security risk and block payments. Now, check if your phone is rooted. If your Android device is rooted, payment apps will not allow transactions. You need to unroot your device or use official software to fix this. And now, open the Play Store app. Now, at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Paytm and update it if not. After this, go back to the home page. Now, again, open the settings app. Now, scroll down and click on the apps option. On Paytm. Now, click on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Now your problem will be solved, and yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.